Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting in the Settings app, open Profile and System, then General and TV and Display options. First, confirm the HDMI is connected to the TV input you intend to use and the TV is set to that input. You'll see resolution and refresh rate options immediately. Pick a common baseline like 1080p at 60Hz so you have a stable starting point. Once you've chosen those, make sure to keep an eye on the preview area while we move to the next adjustments. Now you'll calibrate the image so everything fits the screen. Select Calibrate TV for overscan and follow the on-screen guide. Use the controller to nudge the image until the test boxes align with the TV frame. This changes the scale and positions UI elements correctly. After getting edges right, check HDR and color depth because they can shift perceived brightness and contrast. Adjust those if supported. Make measured changes so you keep consistent text and menu placement across games. Finish by saving your new display settings and immediately test with a game or the dashboard to verify no UI is cut off. If elements are still off-screen, make sure the HDMI cable and port are secure, switch ports, or enable your TV's game mode, which reduces scaling. If colors or size behave oddly, return to Settings and reset display to default, then repeat calibration more gradually. One quick troubleshooting tip: try a different HDMI cable or port before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.